What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? It's the Lazy Panda, Carol Baskins edition. We got the Elite Trainer Box, Battle Styles Red Edition. We did the blue one. We got the Shiny Octopus, so we're gonna rip this box open like a pachyderm and see what's inside. Look at that. Holy cow. This box is called the Elite Trainer Box because only the elite that go to Target at 8 a.m. Are able to get this box. That's why. That's the elite status on this. In case you're running it. Look at this. Rainbow foils, blah, 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 blah. I'm a man. I don't read instructions. Some packaging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 packs. They didn't rip me off. More bullshit. Crap dice. Band-aids. You know what they are. Energy cards. Code card. I covered it up with my thumb. For some kid out there, use those Pokemons wisely, because I'm not redeeming it. All right, here we are. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty now. 8 packs, 1 Destiny. Let's go. We got our scale out here. We're seeing if any of these weigh differently real quick. Let's see what we got. Kilograms. So that one, usually it's 0.022. It flinched to 23. We'll see what happens there. We'll put him on the side. Ooh, that's a chubby one. Okay, what's up with this? Usually it just stays at 22, just like that. So I'm gonna say that one's a light pack. Okay, I'm gonna say that's a light pack. See how these ones though? See how it goes 23 like that? That's what we're saying is the difference. That one's a heavier pack. So looks like we might have 4 light packs. Holy shnikes. All right, we're gonna do the 4 light packs first. Let's see what happens here. All right, battle styles, battle positions, transformers. I did it. I opened my first Pokemon pack. All right, green cards. We've also noticed that green cards, I don't know if they are that great. See what happens. Energy guess.
Fire.
She's on fire, baby.
No.
Bisharp. Energy recycler. Cack nerd. Splink. Holy cow. I wish those were gold stars. You know what happens if they're gold star books?
What?
It's a shiny. But we got our Splink. Roly-Coly. Frillish. Cackney. What kind of move is that? Zist? Is it when you like zest up your pasta?
It's like a taser.
You think he's the taste? All right. Should we do a heavy pack now?
Yeah, let's
Do a
just
heavy
see.
pack.
Let's see.
This is a heavy pack. That we think. You know, I mean.
I don't know if that means something.
We'll see. It's a little theory.
Need some nails.
Well, no, you're not even on camera. We're gonna lose viewerships. Green pack. That's not a good sign.
A lot of green code cards.
Here, little Timmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess.
Water.
Oh,
Dang,
you're
I'm
guessing
bad
the
at this.
opposites. You're like, you know, if it was a battle, you're not doing too bad. Weeping Bell, Experience Share, Esport, Shinx, Blip Bug, Bernard. Mankey, how many cards I got left? Alright, 2 more. Mankey. Englash, that's the shiny holographic a little bit. Not shiny. And Slowbro. So that didn't mean anything, that little weight that it had. Nope. Just a Pokemon that hasn't taken its morning poop yet. Gosh. Green!
Again!
It's not a good sign. Little Johnny, that's for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hoping for some good cards. Dark. Turn the lights off. Purr Ugly, Tower of Darkness.
I like him.
Sizzlepede, that's the STD Pokemon. If you ever sizzle while you pee, you need eugenics. Cackney,
He's always the second to last card.
because he's awesome.
Oh,
Tower of Waters, holographic. Wow. Bougie. Hey, I don't have a victory bell yet.
Ah, there you go.
There we go. Getting rich. Heavy pack. I'm really starting to think that green card, white card is
Yeah,
a
that
huge
definitely-
indicator on what you get. Hit it, Boogz. Boogz,
What?
this is your song.
I'm yelling timber.
Oh,
white code card,
white
okay.
code card, and this is from the heavy pack. Just so little Timmy knows. Watcha! Dark energy. Rapid strike.
Okay.
Experience share. Charcoal. Timber. That we already had that one. Galarian slow poke. Corefish. Sandala. Roly Poly. Alright, we're getting down to it. Cross your fingers. Fan of white. Son of a. I'm not gonna cuss. I'm not gonna say it. And Crobat. Holographic. Alright. It was better. The white card was better.
Not great.
We got 2 holographics with the white edition in Fan of Waves. So, we're on to you, Mr. Pokemon Creator Guy. We are on to you.
Is there another color of code cards, or is it just white and green?
I think it's just white and green for this. Here we go. Come on. Esper. White.
Code card
White.
from the light pack.
Oh, yeah, this is a light pack. Nice catch there, Boogz. Energy. If you guess the energy, I guarantee we get a rainbow foil here.
It's electric.
Damn it.
Oh, I was
We're
gonna
not-
say water too, but I picked electric because I keep doing opposites.
It's not happening.
It's not.
It's not happening.
Silly Cobra.
My hopes and dreams are just going down the pooper. Are they all like that? Oh, yeah, they're all like that. I don't know why I...
Look at them.
Look at Bruno and...
Oh.
Hey! Stoutland! It's Stoutland! 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 Oh, Stoutland!
So what's special about that card? Because it's rain, kind of like the whole card's foil. It's full art, right?
Yeah, full art. This is full art, as you can see, and comparing. And then this one has outside holographic, and this one has the inside holographics. So
Okay.
that's
Mr.
that.
Stoutland.
I kind of wanted that one. Doggo's, you know,
Yeah, I like
he's a doggo.
doggos.
He actually looks like my dog a little
He
bit.
does.
I have a sheepadoodle.
He's white and black, but also brown like that.
Not
Like
supposed to be
super-
brown like that. Ah! Gosh darn it!
Keep your nail in that little.
Put it right in there.
Put it right in there.
Gosh.
Okay.
Gosh.
Do you need help?
Like and subscribe if you think I can open this pack. Got it. I just had to put my hand in the hole.
What Michael Scott would say.
Ooh.
White code card.
Come on, let's get rich, baby. Let's get rich. 1,
Much better.
2, 3, 4. Bugs, I'm
In
telling
the
you.
blue box.
If you guess, it is better than the blue box. If you can guess this, you gotta guess it right. I guarantee.
Leaf. Steel.
It'll make me cry, Bugs.
Shoot, I'm
Camping
sorry.
gear. Whoa!
Oh, don't
Whoops.
have him.
Not even on camera. I like the background. The background's really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Squink! Jinx! You owe me a Poke Elite box. Corfish.
I bought you this one.
You bought me the blue one.
You're right, I did.
And Cheerium.
Hello?
We're getting hollows, but...
Okay.
Alright. That was a light pack. We now have 2 heavy packs. Is this... No. I think the T-Tart was like the heaviest.
Yeah. He was pretty solidly at 23.
Darn!
That goes on.
I'm literally sweating from just trying to open packs. Green card, that's not a good sign. 1,
Yeesh.
2, 3, 4. See, with the white cards, you get 2 hollows. We've been getting that, and that, but a bonus with the whatever you want to call it. Psychic, did you guess Psychic?
Yeah.
Yes!
You read my mind.
Gosh, we're going to go out of business soon. Alright. Fomatias. Man, I got some Fomatas from this girl last night. Doesn't that sound like a STD?
You think all Pokemon sound like STDs? Now that.
Whoa, where's the focus?
Remoraid.
Rimray.
Hemorrhoids.
Hemorrhoids. Glaring slow, bro. That's our
Hollow.
pizza.
He's a reverse hollow.
Oh, yes, young
Nice,
sensei.
okay.
And
Conkeldurr.
Last pack. Last pack. I am gonna have to go to work tomorrow because we're not getting rich off this pack. If you know how to open Pokemon cards the bestest, comment down below and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Is it just that I have fat fingers? Green card on the last one, Bugs.
Oh, shoot.
Gosh darn it. Fire energy.
Alright.
Heat more. Some scroll thing. Tongue, Zubat, Remorta, Maywell, Bellsprout, and the last card to wrap it up is Bolton. Thank you for watching the video. I love you. And like, subscribe. Peace out.